Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Oh, thank you for subscribing and hitting the notification bell for new videos. So first I would like to say Happy New Year to you and your loved ones. I wish you good health and prosperity for the new year. Thank you for supporting me in 2021 and I hope you'll keep rocking with me in 2022. Today I'm going to show you how to cook some rice and beans in a rice cooker. So I'm going to show you the ingredients for this easy recipe. I have the beef flavor Maggi cubes, or you can use the chicken flavor Maggi. I have 1 can of dark red kidney beans, but you can also use the pink kidney beans. I have some chopped green onions. I have some fresh parsley. I have some chopped onion. I have some beef broth, but you can use some chicken broth, some butter, and some parboiled rice. The first thing I'm going to do is measure 3 cups of rice with the rice cooker measuring cup. Once I'm done, I'm going to wash the rice under some warm water until the water is clear. So my rice have been washed, so now I'm ready to add the other ingredients. Next, I'm going to drain and wash off the liquid that came in the can of red beans. Now I'm adding the can of red beans on top of the rice. I'm adding about a handful of chopped green onions. I'm doing the same with my freshly chopped parsley. I'm adding a handful of chopped onion. Next, I'm adding 1 Maggi cube, and this is how it looks. I usually crumble it and spread it throughout the pot. I'm adding 3 cups of the broth. As you can see, I'm using the rice cooker measuring cup. I'm using a spoon to mix all my ingredients. And for my last ingredient, I'm adding 2 slices of butter. I'm giving it a last stir. Now I'm ready to cook my rice and beans. Now I'm just going to turn it on and move on with my day. I just love how convenient it is. Look at this, guys. The rice and beans is done. All I have to do now is fluff the rice. Look how scattered the rice is, just the way I like it. It smells so good that I could eat it just like this without a side. I add my rice and beans with a piece of crispy fried whitening fish. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye!